Hey the YouTubers, we're here in the Lincoln Navigator, and we've all been there. You know, you go to turn on your directional, and normally should blink about that fast, or you get pulled over, and the police officer tells you, do you know you have a bulb out? Well, one of the telltales to know that you have a bulb out before having to check every single time you go out is when you put on the blinker. If it blinks twice as fast, that should tell you that you have a bulb out somewhere. So what I do first is I put on the directional for the side that I know works so I can see where lights are supposed to be. And in this case, in the front, we just had that single light going right there. And in the rear, this whole panel lights up. Now we're checking the side that's blinking too fast. Well, the front, the bulb's lighting up, so we know that one's fine. In the rear, however, only the top is. So I've got a bulb out on the bottom, so let's change that out. So they were just star screws, and so I do have an extension because there is a kind of a lip right there. So we're just gonna put the cordless drill with the star tip on here. We're gonna remove those two. Gonna put a firm hand over there, a firm hand on this side, and just gonna pull it straight out. There's only kind of like grommets holding it on from here. So those are what are holding it on right there in those slots. On the back side, we have the upper, we have the lower, and they are locked in, so it looks like what you're going to do is you're going to turn them down. It even says the lock right there to put them up, so you're just going to turn them in the downward and then pull them out. And as far as the directionals go, one thing I did forget is you might have some directionals in your side mirrors. Check those as well to make sure they're not the problem. Well, I was at it, I decided to check all my lights too, so I have a headlight here that is working, I have a headlight here that's working, I have a headlight here that's working, but this one right here is not coming on. So I'm going to take that one out too. Got a bolt here, lift this up and pop that out. So with this I got lucky. Actually it was just unplugged. When I did the compressor, I must have missed plugging it back in. So that's fixed already. So the bulbs do just push in and pull out. So what I do with this, because I still need it as a brake light, is I'm going to take a picture of the kind of bulb it is, and I'm going to put it back in because I still need it as a brake light to get to the store, and it's easy enough to pull off and on that I don't mind having to kind of put it back together and then get the right bulb and then take it off. So I'm going to go to the parts store and get a new bulb. So I came down the local AutoZone, $12.99 for a 2-pack of the bulbs, and right in the parking lot I just changed them, and we're back to good. So $12.99 took me about 25 seconds to change it out because I had the tools right here in the car. So I just popped out those 2 screws with the cordless drill, popped out the bulb, put a new one in, and nice, easy peasy. Hope you enjoyed watching. Give a thumbs up, subscribe.